Philippine Sports Writers Association at salamat sa inyong pag-imbita sa amin. 2026 is a very busy year for Philippine baseball. Marami kaming sasalihang tournaments. This coming August, we start with the 12 under U12, which will be held in Guali, China. This is the Baseball Federation of Asia Asian Championships. And then, as you know, itong August 10, ang aming women's team will be joining for the first time, the Women's World Cup to be held in Taiwan. First time po tayong nakapasok dito. Okay, in September, we will have our under 18 to be held in Taipei City in Taiwan, where they will be playing in the Taipei Dome.
That's Asian Championships.
Asian Championships, also under the Baseball Federation of Asia. And then, ang ating main event ay ang Asian Games sa Nagoya, Japan in September all the way to October. Yan ang ating men's team na kagagaling lang sa gold medal sa Southeast Asian Games in Thailand. Okay. Aside from that, in November, we will be hosting the East Asia Cup Men's Championship. Dito po yan gaganapin sa ating Rizal Memorial Baseball Stadium. At mabanggit ko na rin po na paspasan ang repairs na ginagawa. Committed po dyan ang Philippine Sports Commission, todo suporta. In fact, sumama pa si Chairman Pato Gregorio at yung mga engineers sa Taiwan to benchmark proper infrastructure for our baseball fields. And shortly after, nagpunta po dito ang Baseball Federation of Asia last 2 weeks ago to inspect our existing facility, and they made a detailed report on how we can fix it, and we are confident we can fix it on time. Tulong-tulong po tayo dyan. If I may also mention, this December, gaganapin po ang Batang Pinoy sa Bacolod. And we are happy to announce na naibalik na po ang baseball sa Batang Pinoy.
More than a decade. Nawala.
Kailan po yung last?
You can't even remember sa kailan yung last. Sa sagal.
At sa pagbabalik po namin sa Batang Pinoy, kasama na po ang girls baseball.
Very good. First time in history.
So, all in all, very busy year po ito. Bottom line ay itong Papa na ito ay naging proactive both in the local and international scene. And hopefully, kagaya ng sabi ni Vice President Manny, we will be able to provide a structured pathway para mabigyan ng opportunity ang ating mga players. Kami po ay sumusunod sa prinsipyo na sinabi ni Chairman Pato Gregorio, ang grassroots to gold and gold to greatness.
Si Vice, baka may additional kayo doon sa mga sinabi mo pagka.
Well, aside from the activities that our Secretary General have mentioned, meron din kaming efforts to strengthen our institutional partnerships, for example, with DepEd, with the Palarong Pambansa, with PRISA. We just had a memorandum of agreement with PRISA last month in Bacolod para dumami rin yung mga naglalaro ng baseball sa PRISA at maging grassroots program ng baseball yung PRISA, yung private schools. And then yun nga na-mention na ni Sec, yan yung sa pagbabalik ng Batang Pinoy, hindi lang yung men's, kundi pati yung girls baseball, yung both under 15 yung Batang Pinoy.
So, biglang naging aggressive yung baseball grassroots natin because of Palarong Pambansa inclusion again and Batang Pinoy.
Yes.
Opo. So, yes.
Siguro po, if I may add, ang isa po sa mga idinidiin namin ngayon sa palakad natin sa sports ng baseball ay yung pagiging merit-based No, nakakapasok kayo sa team dahil magaling kayo, dahil team player kayo, malakas kayong maglaro, hindi dahil sa kung anong di ba? Talagang piling-piliho ang mga player namin at mula ho sa bata hanggang sa matanda, ganyan ho ang aming palakad ngayon sa PAMA.
Okay. So, we go to the coaches. Yun muna mag-World Championship, yung World Cup. Yes, para sa ating women's team, story po pala to, no? Makasaysayan na Coach Isaac Bacarisa. Okay, Isaac Bacarisa. Ano po? So, kumusta po yung team? Ang ating paghahanda, yung puding pinaka-goal natin dito nga sa mga saysayang pagsali natin sa World Cup o World Championship ang tawag? World Cup, yes.
As of now po naman, ongoing pa yung training namin. Pero yung compose kami of mga dating mga dating mga soft footing, ngayon nag-convert ko sa baseball. Dahil wala naman kayo pikukuhanan ng mga ibang president from softball. Pero, and then, ano na nila yung paglalaro ng baseball. Na-convert na nila, na-practice na nila. Then ngayon, active kami sa mga, sa sports sa, ano kami ngayon sa Taguig Sports.
Sa Taguig, ano yung training venue? Okay.
As of now, training area.
Yes, okay. So, okay na yung roster, kompleto na po yan, definitely na sila pupunta sa World Cup. Ilan po yan?
There are 24 members.
24 members, lahat Pinoy.
Lahat.
Ay, walang Phil-Ams, di ba? Okay. Kamusta po yung bracket dyan sa World Cup?
Wow, medyo, alam mo na, World Cup po yan, medyo matitindi ang kakalaban natin, no? World caliber na po yan. Pero, nandun na rin ang, prepare na kami for that World Cup.
Kailan po ulit to at saan?
Sa August 23 to 27.
Yeah. Pwede ba makausap yung dalawang players? Okay. Okay, so yan, meron tayong microphone dyan. Okay, for the two players, ito dalawang players lang ito. Just a short comment. Siguro, okay, paano ba tayo nag-qualify para dito sa ating World Cup? Yes, si ano muna, Veronica, Veronica Velasco, yes.
Nag-qualify po kami sa wildcard po.
Wild card, yes, okay. And then, ilan ba yung wild card?
Isa lang po.
Okay. But definitely, I'm sure may basehan why you were given a wild card. Ano bang pinakamagandang accomplishment ng ating team?
In 2019.
Yeah, noong 2020 po, nag-qualify po yung Philippines sa World Cup. Yung first ever po na nag-journey Philippines sa BFA Asia. Nag-bronze po kami na nag-qualify po kami. Kaya lang, unfortunately, nagka-pandemic po. So, na-cancel po yung World Cup nung year na yun.
Okay. And then, another member, anong expectation, anong goal natin come the World Cup?
So I think our main goal is not to participate, but to compete. Facing a lot of strong teams and a lot of well-known teams, we're definitely there to show what the Philippines has in terms of baseball and what we can produce.
Do you have the bracket na? Meron na tayong grouping. Who?
Japan, Great Britain, Taipei,
Venezuela,
Venezuela,
Cuba.
and Cuba.
Wow.
All powerhouses, yeah.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, so partner Randy, we go to the men's team naman and the Asian Games. Yes, sir, coach. This is it, the main event ika nga for this year. Kumusta naman po ang Philippine men's team natin?
Sa ngayon po, tapos na ng tryout namin. So, yung team namin na medyo may konting pagbabago. So, mostly kasi yung mga team namin ngayon galing sa UAP. Tapos na kasi ng UAP, kaya nung patapos ng UAP, nagpa-tryout kami. So, medyo may pagbabago sa composition ng team. Pero, ano naman to, may mga veterans din na napasama namin dito. Yung nga, yung team namin last year sa SEA Games, nag-code kami, marami pa rin nandoon sa team namin.
Sino kasama ni